You are going to love the 2019 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.